I'm gonna give you a trick. I can't speak English. I'm gonna give you a tips and tricks in life. You ready? It's gonna help you a lot in life. Really experiment it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. If one day, If one day you make a sex tape, okay? Use Disney movie soundtracks. Because if someday your sex tape gets shown to the public, well, the Disney lawyers, they're gonna tell you, "Nuh-uh, this is our song. We're taking this away," and they're gonna take away your sex tape off the internet. That's my tips and tricks for life. Use Disney movie musics in your sex tapes. Yes. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? I'm helping you in life. Stop crying. You're gonna pee less. You're gonna have a urine infection, you dumb bitch.